I've learned to trust myself more, right? Lie straight to the camera.
Today we have something special to talk about, growth challenges and how one's journey at Girl Power Talk has evolved from then to now. Please welcome Moitry.
Hi guys, excited to be here and share a little bit of my story.
Let's go back to the beginning. What was it like when you first joined Girl Power Talk?
Oh wow, back then it was overwhelming. I was double checking every email, I was nervous and worried about making mistakes. I didn't really have the confidence, and honestly, I spent a lot of time overthinking. But yeah,
That sounds like a lot to handle. So what's different now?
now it's a huge difference. I've learned to trust myself more. I've taken more initiative on projects, I collaborate with teams confidently, and I've shifted my focus to creating more impact. Honestly, I feel more like a contributor here now than just an employee trying to fit in.
That's it. What do you think helped you to get from then to now?
Two big things. First, experience. With time, I realized that mistakes aren't big disasters. They're just lessons, basically stepping stones to success. I've had supportive mentors and colleagues who encouraged me and supported me like anything, and I think they also pushed me beyond my comfort zone. So this made all the difference.
Wow. And for anyone starting a new job or feeling the way you did back then, what's your piece of advice?
So I would say that embrace the learning curve. Ask more questions, communicate more, and don't be afraid to stumble and make mistakes, because that's how you grow. And most importantly, trust that your now will look very different from your then if you just keep going.
That sounds inspiring. What skills have you developed that you didn't expect to learn?
So I was basically a very shy speaker, and I had really bad oratory skills, and I used to double think every sentence before talking in front of the public. Now, after going through so many calls with people from all across the globe, hosting bi-monthlies and so many things, going on meetings, it has been a huge learning experience. And from shaking knees to confidently speaking in front of people, I think that's where I've learned, and that's a skill that I would never give up.
Thank you for sharing your story, Moitry. There you have it, a powerful then versus now journey. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching, all of you. What's your then versus now story?
Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such inspiring conversations. Stop the recording. No, wait. So, end this day today by doing one thing for yourself. It might be painting something, it might be buying yourself a drink, it might be just smiling and laughing to something, listening to a song. So, end it on a good note. And with that, we end this session. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Take care, and bye-bye.
What was it like when you first joined Girl Power Talk?
This is how it was.
Sorry.